The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best CNC Machine. Number 5. Bob's CNC Router Kit. Sporting a 24 by 24 inches cutting area, Bob's CNC Evolution is a great CNC router kit made from quality materials that come together to create a solidly built reliable machine. It will make smooth and precise cuts on all 3 axes, and it will impress with rigidity and lack of vibration or noise. What's more, the brand has plenty of instructional videos available online that can help get you started, as well as guide you through the admittedly time-intensive assembly process. However, it's definitely a worthwhile effort. Bob's CNC Evolution is a wonderfully designed product that is getting compliments from amateurs and professionals alike, and that is quickly making the rounds as one of the highest quality CNCs you can get in the range. Pros: excellent tool design and engineering. Great cutting surface for the price range. Excellent customer service. Cons: assembly is time consuming. Coming in number 4. Weber CNC Router Kit. One of the most popular and affordable CNC routers, this machine is built with durable materials and has a generous working area of 300 by 80 by 45 mm that you can get set up in no time. The Weber CNC 3018 will need assembly, but the instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. Able to handle a diverse range of soft material from wood and plastics to soft aluminum and acrylics. It's one of the best models to upscale because of the standard build, which will allow you to easily add some extra space. Pros: affordable price. Simple to assemble. Comes with programming software. Cons: not suitable for harder material like certain metals. Coming in number 3. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. A great model for the complete beginner that uses flexible hardware and open-source software, making it an ideal candidate for upgrades. You can use any software that is compatible with Arduino, add hardware, or do your own laser upgrade by switching out the spindle. The offline control interface is a true blessing that will ensure that your CNC doesn't crash if your computer does. If you're expecting run-of-the-mill fragile plastic, this affordable router will impress with solidly built components. All in all, this is definitely a great option to consider, and if you assemble it correctly, you're likely to get an accurate and stable machine for a great price. Pros: base height raised 4 centimeters for improved stability. Upgraded power adapter that allows you to get to 20,000 RPM. Open source software available. Cons: will not be suitable for more advanced users. Coming in number 2. SainSmart Genmitsu 3018 Prover. With the SainSmart Genmitsu CNC router machine, you won't get any unpleasant surprises with unfitting parts or questionable durability. This router comes almost entirely assembled and will be ready to go within a couple of hours of delivery. Designed with safety and efficiency in mind, it comes with acrylic baffles to block stray wood and motor noise suppression to make your time in the workshop as relaxing as possible. The SainSmart Genmitsu router frame offers stability and safety, including several useful features such as hard stops and emergency stop control. Add on the laser upgrade for extra functionality. Pros: the CNC comes partially pre-assembled, which limits initial hassle. Laser module can be added to the unit. Designed for quiet operation. Cons: even though it is advertised as pre-assembled, the unit will still take some time to set up. Coming in number 1. Masweedy CNC Pro Engraver Machine. A surprisingly accurate machine that will be easy to use, easy to put together, and fun to work with. Although it does come with a GRBL control board, the Masweedy won't come equipped with software, so you'll need to find an acceptable open source solution or splurge on something pricier. Although, like most options in its price range, it's primarily suited for working with soft materials, it's safe to say that you would need to spend double or more to get a significant upgrade on the performance that the Masweedy provides. If you're giving this option serious consideration, keep in mind that it's not only a CNC, but it will also suit your laser engraving needs, expanding its functionality and adding another fun toy to your arsenal. Pros: ideal for beginners. Also comes with laser engraver. Solid build. Cons: does not come with software,